one, up. Oh, okay.
Now, I would like to welcome our VIP guests.
I'm here on behalf of the Ministers Bill Johnson, Minister for Mining, and Minister Stephen Dawson.
I'm very proud to formally introduce Carraged to market and to also celebrate with our event partners DJI and T-Home in something that I know will last a very long time.
I head DJI's global policy and government relations team.
And our collaboration with DJI and the work that we've done with them has been absolutely fantastic.
The technologies used along with real-life case studies of organisations just like yourself.
RPAS is for remotely piloted aircraft systems, also synonymous with drones, UAVs, UAS.